welcome to MCU crib. So I'm about to show you my tight dorm room. I'm a nut. Before I even start, please keep in mind that my room is not finished, but it's like 80% finished, kind of, sort of. It's a work in progress. But honestly, if you don't decorate within like your first week, maybe 2 weeks, sis, stop playing with yourself. You ain't gonna do it. If you already haven't guessed, this is kind of vlog style, but you might have already seen like a little bit of it from my morning routine. Oh, she's not in focus. Hi, and we're back. This is my dresser. This is my speaker. These are basically where I store the top, on the top at least, like all of my hair stuff and body stuff. So like deodorant, lotion, edge control, oil for your hair, body scrub, more hair gel, shampoo, all that good stuff. This is like my little makeup station right here. It's really bad. I need to get like actual drawers, like a professional or something, because using these Ziplocs is like super ghetto. And I'm sorry, but that's what I've been using for a while now. This is where I keep my panties, my underwears, my shorts, my socks, you know, comfy type clothes, sweaters and sweatshirts basically. Second drawer is where I keep like my t-shirts. I tried my best to color code it, guys. I really did, because I'm just, you know, weird like that. In the third drawer, I put like my jeans and my sweats and my shorts and anything that basically goes on the bottom of your body. Now here's the bed. I had this comforter since freshman year, so nothing new about that. Same with the pillows. The only thing new I got was I got this pillow from Ross. It's flipping amazing. It says the snuggle is real, and I thought that was so cute. And I also got this pineapple blanket from Ross. If y'all didn't know, Ross is popping, okay? Before you go anywhere else, check Ross. They'll probably have it. Ross is lit, okay? And this ain't sponsored. Then I have these cute little lights. They're kind of like lanterns. You plug it in, it looks like this, but like at night, it's really cute. This is a blank wall for now. I'm gonna do an updated video if you guys want me to. This side of the wall where it says dream, I put like quotes here. I want to put pictures of like my goals and aspirations all in this corner. Over here on this section, I bought these wooden blocks that spell out my name from Michael's like freshman year that I never used, and I want to paint them A-M-Y. And then that's where I'm going to put my pictures of like my family and friends like all in this like area. Now over here to this corner of the wall. This is the section of the wall that says create. And so basically for this section, I want like a bunch of like artistic things. So this is where I'm going to be posting up my artwork. This one says, you are the pineapple of my eye. I got block, yeah. And I also have work that crown. I thought that was cute. I got this when I went to Ecuador. And if you already haven't seen my video, go check out my video when I went to Ecuador. It was super lit. This is actually something I painted myself. It's a lotus flower. If you guys didn't know, I do paint and I do draw. I'm gonna start to do my artwork again. So this year I really want to like get out of my comfort zone and make myself do more art, because it's what I used to do and I just stopped. Like I said, that's another story for another time. But I'm gonna get back into it because it really like helps me, I feel like, in life, and it helps me relieve stress. It's just something that I really love to do. And when I'm painting and when I'm drawing, I can do it for hours and like forget to sleep or forget to eat, because like I'm so focused on my painting or whatever like I'm doing. And like, I don't know, I like the way that art makes me feel. So that's what this wall mostly is gonna be about. This is the homework station, of course. This is the lamp. This is the computer. This is where all of the movie magic happens. So all of the editing you guys see happens right here. Say hello to my beautiful screensaver. Can somebody find this man on the internet? Like, I don't know who this is. I got it from Pinterest and he is absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, this is like where I have my section of like to-do lists of stuff I need to get done. These are my goals for 2018, and this is basically where I'm gonna post up like stuff for like reminders, to-dos, goals, yada yada. This is my closet. I tried to color code my jacket. This section is where I have my little caddy with my stuff for like getting ready for the shower. I have a little hat collection. Laundry. This is a window. There it goes. The window of opportunity. Now this is where like the movie magic happens. So this is my backdrop. the marble one that you guys have now already seen. The plan of the room was to have like my personal decorations and like life stuff and whatever I like need to do on this half of the room. And then to have like YouTube stuff and filming set up on this half of the room, because I really wanted it to be like half bedroom, half like office space type. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel because I'm serious, guys. This family is growing and I'm super excited because there's a lot of stuff I have in store for you guys and for this channel. Comment down below if you want a part 2 on the dorm room when I get like more stuff situated on the wall back there and such. If you liked it in a vlog style, I know it's kind of different. I wanted to put it in like vlog style to make it more more personable, you know what I'm saying? If you like the vlog style, let me know. If you want more vlogs from me, let me know, because I'm definitely down to vlog. But I have a few more things to do today. Like I have to do homework, she has to go to the gym, she has to get her car washed. Sorry, I speak in third person sometimes, but it's just because I'm being silly. It's just for fun. I'm really not crazy. Also, let me know if you guys want a night routine because she definitely has one. Yeah. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you guys so much for watching MCU Cribs. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
So I hit it like woo 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 woo. You know how the kids do. When I'm in my truth. Turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah. Alley you when I'm in my truth. When I'm in my truth. Pull up in that like woo.